Hello students, how are you? I am here in front of you with another chapter from your science book, that is matter, solid, liquid and gases. This is chapter 8 and in this chapter we will learn about the matters. So let's get started. So today we will read about what is matter. Molecules are made up of atoms. Molecules are always moving and properties of solid, liquid and gases. So what is matter? Matter is anything that has mass and take up space. If you are new to idea of mass, it is the amount of stuff in an object. Matter can be solid, liquid or gas. Solid like iron, liquid like water and gases like oxygen or CO2 etc. So thus matter exists in three states: solid, liquid and gases. What is matter made up of? What is matter? Matter is made up of molecules. Matter is made up of very tiny particles called molecules. A molecule is the smallest particle of a substance. For example, a sugar molecule is the smallest particle of sugar. Molecules are made up of atoms. So what is a molecule? A molecule is a group of two or more atoms. Molecule is a group of two or more atoms that stick together. Molecules are so small that nobody can see them. Pretty much everything on the earth and other planets is made up of molecules. Everything we found on our earth, everything is made up of molecules, and so in some of the dust in space. Atoms of the same kind of elements. Atoms of the same kind of elements, atom of different kinds of combine to form compounds. Thus, hydrogen is an element and water is a compound. Molecules are always moving. So, molecules are always moving. We already learned that matter commonly exists on the earth in three forms. We have learned that matters are of three forms: solid, liquid and gas. These three forms solid, liquid and gas, these three forms are called the three states of matter. Water is unusual because it can be really found on the earth in all three states: in liquid, in solid and in gases. So the main difference between solid and a liquid or between a liquid and a gas is how fast its molecules moving. It depends on molecules moving. So in solid, the molecules are tightly packed. In solid, molecules are tightly packed and cannot move very much. In liquid, the molecules have more space between them. Molecules have more space between them and can move more. And gas molecules are moving very fast and are even farther apart. Properties of solid, liquid and gases. On the basis of difference of movement of the molecules in solid, liquid and gases, each state has some properties as given the below. Solids. In case of solid, molecules are closely packed, hence they cannot be compressed. In liquids, molecules are not as closely packed as in solid, hence they are more compressively than solid. In gases, in the case of gases, in gases, molecules are very far apart, hence they are most compressible. And second one, solids are rigid and cannot flow. Here rigid means cannot bend. And in liquids can flow, they are fluid, and gases are fluid. Third one, they have the definite shape. Solid have the definite shape and volume. Otherwise, liquid they have a definite volume but lack of shape. They take up the shape of the container in which they are placed. Liquid take the shape of that container in which they are placed. Gases, they do not have a definite shape. Gas do not have the definite shape, volume, or they fill up the shape of the container which they occupy. Gas fill the container, but they gases do not have the shape and the volume. Fourth one, intermolecular space are minimum. In solids, intermolecular space are minimum, and in liquid, intermolecular spaces are more than in solid but less than in gases. In gases, intermolecular spaces are maximum in gases. In solid, intermolecular spaces are minimum, and in gases, intermolecular spaces are maximum. Fifth one, intermolecular force of attraction is maximum. In solid, intermolecular force of attraction in solid is maximum, and in liquid, attraction is less than in solid but more than in gases. And in gases, intermolecular forces of attraction is least in the gas. In the solid, intermolecular force are maximum, and in gases, intermolecular forces of attraction is least. Sixth one, can be stored without a vessel. Solid, you can store it without the vessel, and liquid cannot be stored without a vessel. And gases can be stored in a closed vessels only. In open vessels, you cannot store it. And solid example. What are the examples of solid? Metals, glass, wood, plastic, stone, sand, diamond, gold, etc. These are the example of solid. What are the example of liquid? Water, oil, milk, fruit, juice, kerosene, petrol, alcohol. These are the examples of liquid. And what are the example of gases? Example of gases are oxygen, hydrogen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and sulfur dioxide. These are the example of gases. So today we finished these 4 subtopics. What is a matter made up of? Molecules are made up of atoms. Molecules are always moving, and properties of solid, liquid, and gases. And in the next part, we will discuss about the solutions, physical change, and the chemical change. Okay, good day students, and have a nice day.